leaves.
Autumn
Yes,
leaves.
yes, red leaves. October. And so, yeah, also Michael. And this is long one is representative of Michael. Oh, do you know this one?
Parade? What is that?
Ah, kind of.
Yeah, it's a very famous the festival in Japan.
Kawasami? Kawalabla?
It's the Gion Festival. Gion Festival is the three biggest big festival in Japan. Yeah. And July 17th. So I can't look see it. It's the Mifune Festival in Arashiyama. And this is Jidai Matsuri. This is the Ages festival. This is also Aoi Matsuri. It's Aoi festival. And it's the fire festival.
Wow.
Do you know that one? You don't say. You know. And this one, next one.
Is it word?
Yeah.
No.
Wow.
No.
This is mountain. Mountain.
Oh.
And mountain, we say Dai, large, the Chinese character. 5 mountains. So this is bonfires.
Oh.
Bonfires. So we welcome ancestors' spirit and born. Then we fire these trees. Yeah. And next day we send the ancestor spirit to the heaven or some places. Then we fire the bomb, fire stones, the kind of bonfire. We say bonfire.
So amazing.
But at the time, many old citizens cooperated not to light. All light will disappear. No, so dark. All city is dark. So we can see the fire very clearly. And this is very familiar for Japanese Japanese because in shrines there are a lot of festivals, common festivals, and then there are a lot of stands, and then stands we can eat takoyaki or everything.
So Michiro, how much longer is this?
Okay, I'll finish.
Yeah?
I'll finish. Okay, now please just only watching.
Well, just say a few words if you want, but as you know, yummy food.
Okay. Kimono. As you know, kimono is also the very famous.
Say stop if you want to ask a question about a picture.
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
Kimono.
yeah, kimono. And
What is this?
what it is, it's a incense, saint.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh.
so rabbit saint. And we can get, yeah, oh.
Ah.
And this is a sense.
Fan.
Fan, yeah, fan. I have a also same fan.
Wow.
This one?
Is that incense
This
as
one?
well? Okay.
And it's a omelette. Yeah,
Omelette?
kind of. I have a semen. This one. I always bring this
Are
one.
they good luck or what are
Yeah, good luck.
Okay.
Oh, good luck. And there is a garden there, 2 types of gardens in Japan. Rock gardens and others. Yeah, and usually the normal gardens, we can see the moss garden, moss, so beautiful, green. Even though very narrow places, there is moss. And also the pond. And lantern, and we use rock. And this is the, how can I say, paintings, yeah? Also paintings registered as national treasures in Japan. So
Wow.
good. And also the Buddha statues. This is very famous for Japanese. It's the first national treasures
Who is
in
it?
Japan.
Is it Guan Yin or?
Kannon Buddha.
Oh, okay. Buddha. Buddha.
Also, this is a very similar kind of.
A boar?
What can you imagine?
Cow.
Dog.
It's a little
Ah.
Deer.
similar to chopper.
What is that?
Yeah.
What's chopo? What is that?
Yeah.
Is it a boar, like a pig?
It's a deer.
A deer?
Yeah.
Oh.
Kind of.
Wow.
There's
Lots of gold.
100 statues, Buddha statues.
Wow.
And this is a ceiling on the dragons. Also, Zen temple has every Zen temple has dragons on the ceiling
Yeah, they have a ball.
because of to protect fire.
Wow.
From fire.
Yeah, from fire and
Okay.
to protect the people.
Okay.
And this is Inuyara, protect from the dog's pee.
Okay.
Ah.
Yeah.
That is?
Yes, that one.
Does that work?
Yeah, to protect dog's pee.
Ah.
Yeah. And it's Shoki-san on the roof. It's a protect gardener
Oh.
and good luck. This is also any time is so please pass. Explain pass. Please look. Just.
Explain. We don't understand. What's that? It's my fault because there's not much time.
Yeah.
Well, what do you want? What do you want to explain where all those are?
Wow.
Okay, what's that?
This is a very famous temple, Kyomizu Temple.
Okay.
It's a famous, most famous temple in Kyoto. The most largest number of tourists is go to the Kyoto Temple. This is the Japanese use how to use bamboos, and almost every each temples have its own bamboo fence. It's different. So please come to Kyoto and enjoy Kyoto. And I'm sure that Kyoto has a long history, and so atmosphere is different from other cities in Japan. Not only in Japan, but also the other cities in foreign countries all over the world. And there are lots of cultures. So don't when you come to Kyoto, don't go to the shrine temples. Not only go to the shrine temples, but also please experience the culture. I said the flower arrangement, tea ceremony, and Zen, Zazen, and copying the sutra, everything. So then you will be able to find how to calm our mind, and it's maybe it will be very impressive. Yeah, you. So please, when you come to Kyoto, please enjoy culture itself and enjoy by yourself. Thank you.
Thank you.